again, ERP Motovlog. Today's video is we have an English day. Today is Wednesday morning, 9:56 today. Today is English, we try to English. I'm a bubo person. I don't know English well. So let's English this today to practice our English. Okay? Let's get it on. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, Maxim Rider over there. Oh my God. Oh, man eating bread. Yeah. Okay. Oh God. Oh my God. My English is so poor. 10 out. If I read this 10, it's gonna be 0.5. Oh my God. Let's talk in English so that we can practice. Okay? Practice makes perfect. But unfortunately, nobody is perfect. So today's English day. Always speak within our journey to our work is English. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ate is so lovely. Oh, the dog. Oh, the car. Okay. It is so funny. I vlog because our ride is boring, so that I can feel the traffic jams. Am I right? Okay, it's so hard in English. Oh my God. Oh yeah, we're in the corner of Canbulao and Karahay. Wow. I'm time check at 6:30 and my work time is 6:30, so we're late. We're fucking late. Oh my God. He's turning to right and I'm straight forward. Oh my God, I'm so funny. Ay, why am I like this? I'm like insane. I love alone. Oh my God. Oh my. Oh, look at that Aerox. It's so intimidating. My goodness. Wait, turning left. you, tricycle driver. Thank you. Solid rock station. Wow. Oh. Oh my god. Let's be careful while on driving. Okay guys. We're so close to our destination. I think it's 1 kilometer away. Am I right? Oh my god. It's so nice vlogging while you're on traveling, so that you can see the time pass. Am I right? Oh my god. Oh, there's a DSDS Smith Mills. Oh my god. You go there, over there, you go there, you eat all the food, all kinds of food, 10 pesos each. Yeah, that's a very good for people who want a budget. Huh? Am I right? So, my god, we will take this. Oh my god. And we will turn left. We just wave our left hand to the left side, so that we know that we were turning to the left. And we were here at the back of the city hall, mga paps. And I think we will end this vlog in here. Thank you for